Hey Steph, today in court, William Shank, the man police call a self-professed KKK recruiter, changed his plea to no contest for 2 counts of disorderly conduct.
It wasn't my intentions to target anybody.
William Shank back before a judge, offering an apology to the 2 women who received KKK flyers at their homes.
I really don't wish to continue being a Klansman no more.
Police call Shank a self-professed KKK recruiter. At the time, he told them he was trying to increase the group's Vermont membership. Prosecutors say he targeted 2 women of color with racially threatening material. One of those women, Jocelyn Harvey, spoke out in court.
In the days after it happened, not knowing if I would come home to someone in my house or if someone would enter my house when I was sleeping, if someone was going to throw a brick through my house, if someone might hurt my neighbors because we share space together. There was a lot of fear and anxiety.
Shank says in the months since the October incident, he's grown more involved in his Mormon faith. State's Attorney T.J. Donovan says the case should serve as a warning that this behavior is unacceptable in Vermont.
Whether it's on the issue of race, ethnicity, religion, gender, we will not tolerate this. This is a crime in the state of Vermont, and we will continue to prosecute you for those folks that continue to try to threaten, harass, and hurt people because of the color of their skin.
Shank was sentenced to 120 days behind bars and given credit for time served. Now, once released, he was taken into custody by New York State authorities for unrelated charges. Live in the newsroom tonight, Rachel Cars, WPTZ News Channel 5.